died. We are forgiven in Christ alive.
So you can now join us online for Kids Stream. This is our online ministry for children. So you can catch us Fridays at 6:30 or Sundays at 10 a.m. live for some fun, some games, some custard pies and lots of competitions.
On our hearts, His name is written, the King of Kings.
Our Leadership Development Night is going to be happening on the 27th of April at 7:45. Now that is a little bit different because it's going to be a Monday night, but it will be where no Connect groups are happening. And it's just an opportunity where you can ask questions and explore some things together. So our guest speaker at this one will be Rachel Wadhams from the Gallery Church in Birmingham. So you can sign up for this on our website or on Exchange to get the Zoom link and the password.
We are the risen and He shall come again.
Hello Excel, it's great to make this quick video for you just to let you know about what is happening for the youth at church during this time of isolation. Now before we broke up we had an opportunity to meet up one last time where we got to hang out, play some games and also have a talk from the Bible, which was going to help put us in the best preparation for this time of isolation. It's been great that we've been able to use social media during this time to hang out and also engage with each other. So we've used online games, we've used Snapchat, we've used Instagram, TikTok, Facebook and Zoom in order to interact on a day-to-day basis. On Mondays we have Motivational Monday, which is a short devotional video that's posted to Instagram and Facebook, which just gives us a thought for the week. Tuesday it is TikTok Tuesday, where at my own expense you get to see my lack of dance moves whilst trying to recreate some of the famous TikTok dances. Each Wednesday we have a competition to try and win one of the 4 hype bags. We've already given our first one out, so there's 3 remaining, but stay tuned to hear about what competition we have this week. From Monday to Thursday we have different small groups running on Zoom, starting from 5:30 each night, so depending on your age and maybe how much you know already about the Bible, you'd be split into one of those groups. On Friday we meet up on Zoom at 8 o'clock where we will play some online games. Last week you may have seen that Tom had his head shaved for the team. I'm sure if there's 100 likes for this video we can we could get another leader to shave their hair as well. On Saturdays we have our Saturdays with Sandy, which is our weekly dose of news and good news stories from around the world. And finally on a Sunday we are doing Ignite from 3 o'clock till 3:30. So just like it would normally be on a Sunday morning, instead it is open to anyone 10 to 16 years old. That's all for now. It's been great to catch up with you. Remember to follow our handle 180XL to be up to date with everything that we're doing during this time. Peace out.
So our Connect groups are still meeting via Zoom. So if you'd like to be a part of one of these groups, then just drop us a message, let us know and we'll get you connected online. And if you need some technical support and you're not so tech savvy, we've got it covered. So all you'll need is a mobile, a laptop or an iPad and we'll get you set up on there.
Praise the King. Praise the King.
Our next level Bible studies are going to continue happening twice a month. So the next one is happening this Saturday. So you can sign up. Even if you have before, please sign up again and you will receive the link and password. And this will stay the same for the next few Bible studies that happen after that. So make sure you sign up for that. So while lockdown continues, you can still join with us every Sunday at 6 p.m. to join us for an hour of prayer. We need to be praying for our nation at this time. So if you'd like to join in, drop us a message and we'll send you the link.
And every knee will bow, every heart confess.
So ladies, this one's for you. On this Saturday, we have made a few changes to the scheduled prayer walk that was going to be happening. So due to obvious reasons, we are not going to be doing a prayer walk, but we will be doing prayer and fasting for the whole day. So you can choose a time in the day that you want to fast, but we're going to be coming together also for a prayer call, which will be at 12 till 1 on Zoom. So more details will be given in the ladies WhatsApp group, so keep your eyes open for that.
Praise the King. Sing Christ has died.
So that's all for Excel News. Remember, now more than ever is important to stay connected, and we've got the whole online world to do that. But pick up a phone, call someone if you know someone's isolating, and let's stay connected as a church. You can keep up to date with everything we're doing on our social media and on our website. So hit us up and stay connected.